You don't fail pull-ups because you're weak. You fail because you're pulling wrong. And that's good news, because strength takes months, position takes minutes. Most people grab the bar, bend their elbows, and hope for the best. But a pull-up isn't an arm exercise. It's a positioning test. And if you miss this one thing, you'll stay stuck at 0. Let's fix it. The real problem, you're pulling with your arms first. Watch most beginners. They hang, then immediately bend their elbows. That's the mistake. When you bend first, your shoulders stay shrugged, your lats stay quiet, your body stays heavy. You're trying to curl your body weight. That's not happening. Before your elbows bend, something else must happen. Your shoulder blades must move first. Step 1. Pull your chest to the bar is wrong. Don't think about pulling yourself up. Think about pulling your shoulders down. From a dead hang, without bending your arms, pull your shoulders down into your back pockets. Your body should rise slightly, maybe an inch. That's called scapular depression. If you can't do that, you don't need more biceps. You need control. Practice 8 to 10 reps of just this. Hang, depress, relax. Now your back is awake. Step 2. Bend the bar. This changes everything. Here's the cue that fixes 80% of people instantly. Try to bend the bar. Imagine snapping it in half. When you do that, you'll feel tension under your armpits. That's your lats turning on. Most people hang passively. Elite pullers create tension before they move. Grip tight, thumb around the bar. Crush it. Strong grip equals stronger core equals stronger pull. Your body is one system. Step 3. Elbows down, not out. Now you're ready to pull, but don't flare your elbows. Drive them down and slightly back, like you're trying to put them into your back pockets. If your elbows go wide, your shoulders take over. You lose power. Narrow space, tight path. Think chest tall, elbows down, not chin over bar. Your chin will follow. Step 4. Kill the swing. If your legs are moving, your core is sleeping. Before you pull, squeeze your glutes, lock your ribs down, make your body stiff. Think hollow body. A pull-up is a moving plank. No tension, no reps. Why this works? You didn't get stronger in 5 minutes. You got efficient. Most people skip scapular control, lat tension, core engagement. They jump straight to elbow flexion, and that's why chin-ups feel easier. Different arm position, less demand on shoulder control. But true pull-up strength starts at the shoulder blades. What to do this week? Every session, 3 sets of scapular pulls, 3 sets of controlled negatives for 5 seconds down. Assisted pull-ups focusing only on position. Train this 3 to 4 times a week. Consistency beats intensity. Within weeks, you'll feel the difference. Within a month, you'll see it. You don't need better genetics. You don't need lighter body weight. You don't need magic bands. You need better positioning. Pull-ups aren't about brute strength. They're about tension. Fix the setup, the reps will follow. I'll see you at the bar.